Hey everyone, it's Miss Vaccaro. So today for math, we're going to continue adding using groups of tens and ones. But before we begin, let's take a look at our do now. So here I see some groups of tens and some ones. So let's count how many groups of 10 there are. Now remember, each one of these red sticks has 10 pieces, so we can count by tens. So let's count the groups of 10. One group of 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 groups of 10. And now how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So down here in our groups of tens box, what number should we write? That's right, 8. There were 8 groups of 10. So now, what number should we write for our blue ones? That's right, 7. There were 7 ones. So now it's time to put 8 tens as a number. How would we write 8 tens as a number? That's right, it would be 80. That 8 in the number 80 matches the 8 tens. Now, how many ones are there? 7. So what goes in this blue box? That's right, 7. So now we have 80 plus 7 equals what? Remember, another way you can figure this out is putting the number of tens and the number of ones together. 80 plus 7 is 87. So now that we reviewed, let's take a look at my friend Amelia. Amelia is thinking of a number that has 3 tens and 8 ones. What is her number? So let's go back. I see that Amelia's number has 3 tens and 8 ones. So some of you might already start to be thinking what the number is. But let's take a look using our number cubes. So if there are 3 groups of 10, how many red sticks will there be? That's right. And how many ones were there? 8, that's right. Here's Amelia's number shown in our number cubes. So there are 3 groups of 10 and 8 ones. Let's fill in our chart now. What number goes in our tens box? That's right, it's the number 3 because there are 3 groups of 10. How many ones are there? That's right, 8. So now we can move down to the addition sentence. What is 3 tens written as a number? That's right, 30. And how many ones are there? 8. That's right. So what is 30 plus 8? Excellent, 38. Amelia is thinking of the number 38. But Sebastian is thinking of a number that has 2 more tens than Amelia's number. What is Sebastian's number? So last week we talked about this sentence, 2 more tens. That word more, I'm going to circle it because it's really important. So Sebastian's number has 2 more tens. Does that mean Sebastian's number is going to be bigger or smaller? That's right. More means adding, so Sebastian's number is going to be bigger. So let's take a look. So as we remember, Amelia's number is 38, and here it is. I know there's 3 groups of 10 and 8 ones. Now, let's take a look at Sebastian's number. If we remember, his number is 2 more tens. This is super important because last time we only looked at the ones, but this time we're adding 2 more groups of 10. So are we going to add 2 more red stick groups of 10 or 2 more blue cubes for ones? Yes, we're going to add 2 more red sticks, showing 2 groups of 10. Now remember, these 2 groups of 10, this is not the number of Sebastian, this is not the number Sebastian's thinking of, but what we're going to add to Amelia's number. So let's break this down. So now we want to take a look. What is the total number of tens? Well, Amelia's number, 38, has 1, 2, 3 groups of tens. Let's keep going. Sebastian's is 4 groups of tens and 5. So we're counting all of them, the total groups of 10. So now, what number should go in this tens box? That's right, 5, because there are 3 tens on Amelia's side and 2 tens on Sebastian's side. 3 plus 2 is 5, or we can just count all of the red groups of 10. Now, did the number of ones change? Amelia has 8 ones. Does Sebastian have any ones that we need to add? No, he doesn't. So that is going to stay as 8. Excellent. So now, this is pretty much what we've been doing, right? I see 5 tens and 8 ones. What is 5 tens written in a number? That's right, 50. And what about 8? 50 plus 8 is 58. So 58 is the number Sebastian is thinking of. So if we recap, Amelia, her number had 3 groups of 10 and 8 ones. Her number was 38. Sebastian's number was 2 more groups of 10. His number was 58. If we look at the numbers in the tens place, Amelia's number was 3, Sebastian's number was 5. You can see that 5 is 2 more than 3. Did they both have the same groups of ones? Yes, they did. But now my question is, who is thinking of the bigger number? That's right, Sebastian is. 5 tens is more than 3 tens. 58 is bigger than 38. So Sebastian is thinking of the bigger number.